In 2014, as a young clinician, it was one of my first international world symposiums that I attended, and my expectations were high because of the fact that we were going to have world-renowned speakers and lectures that were going to be at a very high level, and also the fact that there would be plenty of international colleagues that would be attending the same congress. So that was very exciting prospects to look forward to. The things that impressed me the most from attending this World Symposium was the fact that I think firstly one felt very quickly that you were part of a global family. We were an entire delegation of international colleagues who shared the same ITI philosophy in implant dentistry. And the second thing that impressed me was the fact that we had world-renowned speakers, and they presented literature and science that were of very diverse research and clinical backgrounds. So as a young clinician, you walked away very motivated and encouraged. And thirdly, being such a large event, it was extremely well organized and very efficient. What makes the World Symposium stand out for me is the fact that at the heart of the ITI is the philosophy of sharing and the dissemination of knowledge. And so as clinicians, one is able to walk away from such a symposium and be able to apply the knowledge that was learnt in the lectures in everyday practice. So my journey indeed was a long one, and the biggest motivation factor for me as a young clinician in 2014 was the fact that I could present my clinical skills and knowledge base in the format of a poster presentation. The second biggest motivation factor was that I had the opportunity to collaborate with my several international colleagues who also attended this symposium, and this allowed for several future collaborations to develop. So the reason why young clinicians should attend the symposium next year is because they would have the opportunity to present their research and clinical findings at a global level. And I think very important as well is the networking opportunities. One can develop very good and strong friendships with all the different colleagues that will be attending the symposium as well.